Welcome back, my friends. Our car is now finished from the outside, but we need to create some of the interior. The rule is always simple. If you want to create a very realistic and detailed interior, you will have to spend a few days on modeling. But I'm going to show you a faster way. Of course, this will be a simple interior, but it is perfect for fast visualizations. Okay, let's go ahead and start. I will use the upper side of the car body for making it, so I can go ahead and hide all the other elements. Now, I have to select all the polygons that will be used for our interior. And we're going to do polygon selection. Next, I will detach them. After this, I will only need to extrude it to add thickness. And after doing this, I will have the shape of our interior that will fit perfectly to the car body. Okay, almost all. Only a few polygons on the back. Okay, now I've got it. Now I will clone these selected polygons, of course, to a new object. Now I have got the base for our interior that I need to edit. First, I need to delete those edges, because with them, I will not be able to make the extrusion operation correctly. To make the selection faster, I use the border tool, so now I need to unselect some edges. Okay, and a few more on the front. Okay, that's all. So I delete them, and as you can see, I've got to repeat this again, because I've got another line of edges that has to be deleted. I'm unselecting some edges because I want to delete only the polygons that were creating the thickness of the car body. Oop, that's almost all. Excellent. Now, I can go back to the polygon selection and invert all polygons. Of course, I will use the flip tool to make it. Great. Now we've got a simple interior in our car, but let's work on it a little. Before extruding, I have to weld some vertexes. As you remember, we chamfered the corners of the side and front windows, so now I have to move it back to eliminate the bugs when I will be extruding. Of course, after extruding, I will have to chamfer those corners again. Okay, now I need to extrude my interior to add thickness to it. The extrusion type I have to change to local normal and decrease the value of height. Next, I will delete the newly created polygons and it will lower the roof, and I will be perfectly sure that the interior will not be protruding through the car body. Now I can do the final extrusion. Okay, I think that's going to be enough. I extruded the polygons one more time, but only a little. Okay, we cannot forget about the corner, remember? I have to chamfer them again because my interior will not be fitting the car body. And the other side. Okay, now I use the chamfer tool. Now I can go ahead and add NURM subdivision with an iteration set to 2. The upper part of our interior is ready. You can now add a rear mirror and seat belts to make it more realistic if you want.